Brain. The brain is a soft organ. It is the control center of a human body. The brain is enclosed inside the hard, bony skull. The space between the skull and the brain is filled with a clear liquid called cerebrospinal fluid. It acts as a cushion for the brain and protects the brain from the shock and jerks. The brain is made up of three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Each part of the brain performs a specific function. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It acts as the center of intelligence and helps us to think, learn, remember, speak, and feel. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is located below the cerebrum and works under its control. It coordinates the working of our muscles and also helps in maintaining the balance of our body. Medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata, also called brainstem, is looked like a bulb below the cerebellum. It controls the heartbeat, breathing movement, and the working of many other internal organs. Thank you.